has been indicated. So my objection is, and his own ground, that he needs to be replying to something that he had never known. That picture was taken from the portal of the IBC. So he's not taken by surprise because it's their own picture on their own portal, and it's still there now as we talk, as we object. But secondly, this is the first time in many years that I've ever seen a party asking to rebut their own evidence. And that is an oxymoron that reflects accurately the state of their records. But I stand guided and would gladly withdraw my objection if the court wishes.
I think where we are coming from, Senior Counsel, our teacher, Mr. Firoz Noronji, is that when the two forms were displayed, they wanted to respond because they said it's new evidence. And you saw the bench resistant to begin with, but we went to the records to find out whether it is among the forms that were submitted here, especially in the affidavits of Dr. Celestine, Mr. Arnold, and we found actually it is new evidence. That's why we allowed them. It is not an objection. It's a clarification because they said this is new evidence that they had not seen before. It is in that context.
Much obliged.
Yes, yes. So 5 minutes.
All is well that ends well. Mr. Mahat will give the explanation. Thank you very much, Committee.
Your Ladyship, Madam Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, and Associate Justice of Supreme Court, I wish to respond to 3 very quick issues that were raised by my learned colleague, Ms. Julie Soweto. The first one relates to a form that was shown this court. I will want the form to be projected. We will. Whatever that was projected from the portal, that is what we want the court to see. What Ms. Julie Soweto showed. You could go, please go to Jose Camargo. I want to produce to the court the original form 34A. It's okay. Yes, you can see. It's okay. I want to produce the form 34A, the original form 34A. And I want to inform the court that the name Jose Camargo on that form is an overlay. Jose Camargo, the register of the QR code, that was printed by Smartmatic International, and it was printed in the name of Jose Camargo. You can show? The register is available.
We were very patient the way Mr. Mohammed addressed the court earlier. Very, very persuasive. But for good order and not to interfere with his submissions, we kept quiet. And if you look back at the record, a lot of what Mr. Mahat was saying was actually giving evidence. He was talking using the word we. This is how we do it. The trajectory which he is taking without a witness to tell us the kind of information he's going to give us is going to put the court in a very difficult position. I think he should transform himself to a witness and we begin to cross-examine him. Because, and this is very serious, either we practice law the way we understand the law, or anybody can confront the court with any document at any time. I understood Mrs. Soweto to be giving an explanation in response